suggestion is that you know the degrees as they are now. And then if you want to update the degrees, that's on you or the universal truth. The way that the degrees are written now, if you don't learn them the way that they are now, you're going to miss the lesson. For instance, understand the grid of 1 to 10. What the total population of the original people was North America all over planet Earth. Total population is 17 million plus 2 million Indians. Make a total of 19 million original people. It was North America 4 billion 400 million all over planet Earth. With that, you're dealing with the understanding. That's the understanding degree of the original people. You have those amongst the original people who know who God is. It's 17. Knowledge God. It also applies to the queens. You know what I'm saying? You have the wisdom. You have some people amongst us are people who just deal with the wisdom of God, which are the books like the Bible and the Quran. They deal with God's wisdom, but they don't know who God is. But if you add those two together, you'll find the answer when you make that knowledge born with yourself. And that's the only way you'll be able to see the culture, which is the 4 billion, which is divine, which is 400 million. When you see the culture, which is divine, you're able to build on that. Now you take 17 million plus the 19, plus 2 is 19. Then take the other 19, that's 28. That's wisdom bill. And then add the 4 and the 4. That's 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. That degree gives you an understanding so you can see your equality. Positive balance. Which all boils back to born. Because I suffer for the master, I sincerely have a lot of mathematics. That's the only way that our original people are going to get to understand themselves. It's to learn, it's to born it through themselves. There's a lesson in that lesson. A cipher is a mathematical code. These degrees so forth to prove to be right and exact, because at that time period of time, those actual numbers gave us an understanding of our condition. So there's a lesson within the lesson. The populations might change, but the way that we renew our history is that those lessons always have a lesson in them. That's why you have to look beyond the face value of what you're dealing with. You know what I'm saying? So you can update them once you knowledge 120. But right now, learning the way that they are because there are lessons in them. Just like another example, the power degree of the 1 to 10 tells you about the Father. 196,940,000 square miles. By him making knowledge born to himself, he looked at these degrees and found out that the black man was God. So he shared that, which is equality, with his first non-born, so they can free their cycle. So that's why it's important to learn them as they are now, and then you can add on later if you so choose. There's a lesson in there, and if you don't deal with it the way that it is, you're going to miss it. Peace.
When you were doing the math earlier, where did you get that set? You said, yeah, 219?
Add the number 17 plus 2 is 19.
Right.
Then add the other 19. Add all the numbers in that degree.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm about to say, what other 19?
No, that's peaceful because I had asked the exact same question. I'm like, you know, when the guy that was like, knowledge. I said it ain't right and exact though, because it's not up to date. And he built it out just like you did. It's like you gotta, it's a lesson inside the lesson.
Right.
Well,
and that's what we were taught at the earth site when we were asking, you know, the questions. with the lessons and everything in it. It was just basically talking about the symbolism, like you said, understand our condition, our number, the power that we do have if we do apply it. You know, that's why I thought it was important. I just wanted everybody else to know how they felt about, you know.
That's a good question.
learning
Right
that
there.
is.
That's a good question.